Bro, two more. Good morning, Vallivue. Welcome back to another Usecast. Today we got school news, lunch, and more. So let's get right into it. Cody, bring it on.
Today for lunch we will be having chicken sandwich, a pepperoni pizza, and a PB and jam, which sounds yummy in my tummy. Also, quick reminder, Falcons, make sure to have money in your lunch accounts. May 15th, you will need to have money in them. To be able to get lunch, you cannot overcharge your account or have any negative balances, so do that.
Falcons, remember, there are 9 days left until yearbook distribution. Yearbooks are still available while supplies last. Get yours for $60, and these bad boys can be purchased online or at the bookkeeping window. Make sure y'all don't have fines, because if y'all do, womp, 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 no yearbooks for you.
Just like that. Reminder that the library is closed for the rest of the school year. Also, make sure to turn in your library books so you do not get fined.
Yep, turn them in. Falcons, that's another reminder, like May 15th, everyone must have their lunch account to eat, like their money, so no negative balances.
The 5th annual end of the year melodrama is having the opening night at the Mallard Park Amphitheater. It's $5 and starts at 6:30 p.m. The show is called Dastardly Deeds at Your Sin Mind. So come boo, cheer, and have fun time at the show. And if you see anyone dressed up for the show, feel free to ask them questions. We hope to see you guys there.
Students and teachers, sorry for the late upload, but here are some clips of the senior assembly. That was fun. So seniors, remember, for those who were awarded the Idaho Launch Grant, make sure y'all complete the finalization paperwork on the grant platform and order a transcript for yourself on parchment. Make sure before y'all click order, click hold for grades, because you don't want to send it during the process. You will also need your government ID that lists your address. If you're confused like me, stop by the Career Center for help.
Art Clubbers, if y'all art enthusiasts and want to do art related, come out and join their art club members in making Mother's Day cards. This will be tomorrow, May 8th at 3:45 p.m. in room 133. So let's show our mama some love.
All right, Falcon Nation, tomorrow your track athletes are heading to districts as it will be held at Bishop Kelly High School. Field events end at 3200. Y'all are dismissed at 10:15, which is the bus leaves at 10:30, not 10:31. While the running events, y'all will be leaving at 3:15. Second bus leaves at 3:30. Let's show how it's done, Falcons.
Falcons, baseball is heading up to Lewiston to play Burley and Lewiston as they are heading to state play-in. Softball is playing Nampa today at the Nest as their game starts at 5 p.m. Come up and support our Falcons. Good luck to all Falcons.
Vallivue Sports Physical for incoming freshmen and junior for the 25-26 school year. Updated physicals are needed for participation for any athletics next year. Go get one May 13th, 2025 at 4 p.m. until 6 p.m. in room 501, and it costs $20. You can see Mrs. Teresa in room 244 or in the athletic training room for any questions. And that's all we've got for y'all today, Falcons. It's meet week, baby. We're almost done with this school year. Hang in tight, and remember, stay ballin', Valley.